Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I create yoga, workouts, and healthy recipes. Please do subscribe for loads more. Today's video, I'm gonna share with you this really quick workout that will target your abs and your glutes. I love to focus my workouts mainly on my abs and my glutes because abs and your butt is life. First things first is I'm just doing a few quick stretches, just coming into cat-cow pose and then coming down to puppy pose, which really helps to stretch out your back muscles and elongate your spine, which can help to improve your posture. And it's also really good for your digestive system as well, doing cat-cow pose, and also help to relieve tension or backache. And I'm now just going to come into pigeon pose, just like stretching out my back. Pigeon pose stretches the glutes and quads. It helps to lengthen the front body, it calms your mind, and it opens up the hips. First exercise, we are going to set our timer on our phone for 1 minute, and it's basically a plank twist where we go side to side like so. This exercise is really good as it helps to strengthen the obliques and your overall core, and it also helps with the fat on your side like your love handles. Okay, we're finally done. Now just stretch it out. Coming up into cobra pose. This pose helps to tone the buttocks. It helps to relieve stress and fatigue. It opens up the heart and lungs, stimulates the abdominal organs, and it's really therapeutic if you suffer from asthma. Next exercise is kickback pulses, and we are going to be doing 30 on each leg like so. And try to ensure to keep your leg at that 90-degree angle, and you will really feel this in your glute muscles, you guys. Going, you guys, you got this. Just breathe through. Keep breathing. Inhaling deeply through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Keep breathing, keep going. You got this. On the very last one, just hold it for a few seconds. This is the last exercise, and we are just going to do 30 on each side. Inhale as you raise your arm and your leg, and then exhale as you lower them, and suck that navel in towards your spine, which really helps to target your core muscles whilst also targeting your glutes at the same time. Guys, you can also do like 2 or 3 sets of these free exercises. But it's entirely up to you, so no pressure, you guys, as I don't always do like 3 sets of these exercises, you guys. Sometimes when I'm pushed for time, I only do 1 set, and I'm always pushed for time. I love to make excuses. And however, you guys, I believe when it comes to exercise, the key is little and often. As long as you try to do at least, even if you do 5 minutes a day, you guys, and really push yourself, and I believe you'll start to notice the changes that you want. And remember, you guys, true beauty is always on the inside, and love yourself for exactly who you are. Don't wait to have like a super fat stomach and then love yourself. No, love yourself right now the way you are, and it will all fall into place. And this day I actually done 2 reps of these exercises. So I'm just gonna like let this video flow. This is me doing another cat-cow pose, and I cannot stress enough, you guys, the benefits of cat-cow pose, which are like, especially if you suffer like from painful menstruation, this really can help to relieve that. And it's also really beneficial on your digestive system, to function more efficiently, helping your body to get rid of more toxins and waste. Really hope you guys are enjoying this workout, and please leave me a comment down below if any of you do try this workout. Please do let me know your results. Keep going, keep breathing, you got this, we're almost done. Keep breathing, push through. Guys, I did not film the last exercise, the second set. My bad. And I say film, but I really mean I just didn't do it. Allow me. I was a little bit lazy that day. And also, you guys, the reason I put my top on is because I felt like my neighbors were preying on me. This isn't even my house. This is my mom's house. Thank you so much for watching. I love you with my whole heart. Peace, love, and light. I will see you guys in my next upload. Mwah.